Today marks yet another change of the guard in the nation's Armed Forces Command, and a multi-bemedaled soldier and officer assuming unified control with his commander-in-chief over the turnover ritual. PTV correspondent Bea Bernardo fills us in with more.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines officially changed leadership today, with Lieutenant General Sarelito Subihana as the new Chief of Staff. President Rodrigo Duterte himself led the change of command ceremony, which took place in Camp Aguinaldo. Since this is the first time after a while that the President attended the change of leadership himself since the COVID-19 pandemic started, the health protocol that was implemented during the ceremony was strict. The Chief Executive expressed confidence to the leadership of Subihana.
The AFP will achieve even more milestones in the campaign to address the insurgency and terror and put an end to all these threats to our national security.
Subihana is the 55th leader of the AFP and the 3rd Medal of Valor awardee who became the Chief of Staff. The Medal of Valor is the highest award that can be given to a soldier who is willing to give up his life in the name of service. Subihana obtained his medal in 1995 after his right arm was shot during the operation against the Abu Sayyaf group in Basilan. This is the reason why his right hand was paralyzed and why she salutes using his left hand. In his Assumption speech, Subihana encouraged everyone, especially the public, to support the military's fight against the threats to our country's security.
With unity and conviction, we can attain victory. Peace is a collaborative project. It requires the commitment, dedication, and support of everybody.
Subihana replaced retired AFP Chief of Staff General Gilbert Gapay, who retired today as well. The President offered the government position to Gapay.
After tonight, you might opt to take the MWSS vacated by General Salamat, or you might also choose to be with your home ground, the DND. It's your choice.
Bea Bernardo for The Nation.